Alright people, so haven't uploaded a video in a while on YouTube. I might have done some shorts and some other small stuff. But you know what? I'm going to upload a random video with some random stuff. Basically, it was cleaning up the backyard. So if you're missing Steve's Haunted Yard, you can watch me clean up my backyard, a little bit of 3D printing stuff. I went to, it's so funny, this video that I'm going to show you with the backyard is me cleaning up stuff. And then of course I find a Halloween garage sale, which was completely hilarious. I didn't buy anything, okay? And then an estate sale, and then what I find at the estate sale. So check it out, it'll be fun. All right guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start cleaning up. So I've talked about this for a long time, but man, I am going to get everything back organized after years and years of collecting, changing themes. It is time to reduce. So we're actually getting our fence redone. This whole thing is, it looks like a nice fence because it's stained, but it's fallen over. So my neighbor and I are going in. They're gonna be here tomorrow, I think, to work on, to replace that fence. So I got everything moved from there, and I'm just liking how nice that is without a bunch of crap there. Like, I have a bunch of crap here. So this was my old hearse, horse-drawn hearse buggy top. I ended up selling the base to it to Last Stop Haunt, and then he rebuilt it as the snake salesman, snake oil buggy cart thing, and it's super cool. I will share this little tidbit with you guys. So I wanted a really cool old looking hearse, you know, like Victorian era. This was actually a clock that I got at, like, I believe Big Lots. So I took the frame and the glass off, just, you know, removed the innards, and that was the back window on the back door of the hearse, and it made it look really Victorian. So if you're trying to figure out a way to do a cool thing, it was a cheap ass clock from Big Lots or wherever you can find one. If I can find a photo of it, I'll throw it in here. But I'm gonna get back here, and this is the rest of the horse-drawn hearse that's it died. It's dead. So I'm gonna pull all this out and get all that thrown away, and then we'll see what other trouble we get into. Found a cool garage sale. All right, people, got number 9. Just went in, got all 3 things I was wanting to get. So I got this fireplace cover, which is super cool. Got the Gothic shelf that I was talking about. I actually was able to get it. We're keeping that for ourselves. We're gonna sell this fireplace cover. And then I got a couple of other things that I'm gonna work with making pieces with. And then I got a really cool candelabra that I'll have for sale at Oddities. But yeah, so it was a score. It's already up into the hundreds, I believe, on people waiting. I saw some people with like 98 before I walked out, you can see now like the line of people trying to get in is pretty long. So, all right. So this was a good estate sale score today. All right. All right. So here's the little Gothic shelving unit that I was talking about. It's got a little damage on it, but I can easily fix that. And it might end up going right here. Kind of like that spot. Got a whole Gothic thing going on right here. We just got these chandeliers recently. And of course, you know, my horse that I've had for a long time, our jackalopes. And then got this really cool fireplace screen that we will actually have at Oddities. And then I got a few other small things, so pretty cool. Just wanted to show you guys this. It actually lights up. I don't think there's a plug back there. So that kind of sucks that I wouldn't be able to light it up if I put it here. But I don't know, we'll see. Might not stay there.
Let me sing